Alright friends, I'm going to be doing Br2. So bromine is in group 17 and I have two of them. So Br equals 2 atoms times 7 valence electrons equals 14 valence electrons. Great. Step 2, I'm going to draw my skeleton structure. I've got two Brs and I'm going to connect them with the bond. Step 3, I'm going to add 6 to my outside atom. Which one's my outside atom? Which one's my central atom? The third, this is diatomic. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to choose this. I'm going to draw a box around it. That's just a mental note for me to know that I'm using this as my central atom. So 6 around my outside atom. Great. I have to have this equal 14. So let me put any leftovers in the center. I've used 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If my central atom adds up to 8, then I'm done. 2, 4, 6, 8. That was easy.